Hi guys, today I'm showing you my collection of fidgets. I've got 3 tubs and 1 small box, so let's start off with the small tubs. Small tub. Mochi! They're all, except from that one in here, are all transparent and they are supposed to glow in the dark. I don't think they do, no. Got these off Amazon. They are very nice quality now. I feel like they're handmade. On to the last one tub. We got tons of monkey noodles. We got unicorn strings. A Rubik's Cube. Gaming squish pad. These are really cool. So it's like all these in these pads and you squeeze them around. Quite a few udon noodles. Bead orbit. Squish dog. And a lot of tangles. Rubik's Cube star spinner. Pop tubes. Atomic tangles that does light up. And yeah. So moving on to top dedicated to one thing. Well, kind of two. Puppets and simple dimples and dimples. So this is all the tub filled up. So I've got tons of I've got tons of puppets. Yes, I really like. I got this from Poundland for like £3, but it is lovely. Got this puppet ball randomly from Waterstones. Octopus dimple spinner. I've got a few keychains. I've got a few puppet bracelets. Now onto my big tub full of random stuff. We got this really cool illusion thing. Got from the works. Wasn't that much, like £3 maybe. Infinity hexagon. Got this from the works. Pineapple squishy. That's squishy. Got lots of bead spinners, Splatman, snakes. Ooh, one of my favourites. Oh, Wacky Jack. And yeah, this is my big box, so it's got quite a lot of things in. Infinity cubes. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed seeing my fidget collection. If so, please comment down below what fidget video you want next. And leave a like and a sub if you want more videos and enjoyed it. Bye!